Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then install this free app from Mad Scientist Developer. After opening it, you can mute the music right away thanks to bottom left corner. Now tap on those three lines at the bottom right one. Click on Set as Live Wallpaper. Hit this gear at the bottom left corner. Tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up. And check out all of those options. When you finished, go back, tap on Apply, and then when I go back, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!